Nwaghuatahihia Motors. A sị na onye ọkụ na-agba biya adachụ nta oke. Afọ m post ipostu yesterday ị na-eme 2024 giveaway with cars. Ị na-eme giveaway moto. It's not a bad thing, ọ bụrụ ihe ọjọọ. Mana onye ọkụ na-agba biya na-ebu ụzọ godu tinyegodu dị ọkụ first before wee chụba oke. People amapụta na-akọlụ gị out left right centers. Ma ndị ke na-ekwu na emela ọda moto n'aka gị since over 2 years enwetabeghị moto. Ma ndị nke si na family ọda moto ọ bụrụ ihe family ọdị ya ka fa nwete. O nwere ndị nke si na fa send legal na block offer straight away. People na-akọ a lot of things negatively about your business. Imeye ignore general host to 2024 raffle. Megide one of your ambassador Kanayo denounce all his ambassadorship deal. A bankete. Just few days yesterday can full post. Very dark man who post about you. That one on our screen now. About him send leave 7 million naira. Nakamoto. Akokwasi eko. And the basic post very dark man buna. The phone number you made the chatting, but the phone number that is currently on your page, both Instagram and Facebook ugi. All phone number post to there. Cage where chat the person. People na collect of negative things about you. And all customer about business. Customer form about business. Open your customer not happy with you. Then the man business is about to close down. He may ignore, may give away, car give away. When we didn't have family order car, so what about the car? I need to make give away a car. I don't know manner. You can't just ignore those complaints and you are celebrating, you are doing car giveaway. He a boost or go to first, you go to set to go to customer make business with you. For they go to happy first. If you maybe anything they can empowerment or nature image. Call ladies it just name car keyway cover up or medicine after death or damage control. In a lot of bloggers, a lot of people who didn't ligi. Money can actually something ligi. But they will not tell you this truth. They will not tell you this truth. A lot of bloggers will go your ambassadors and they promote your business. They cannot come and plain and tell you the simple truth. Your business, your reputation is at stake. Your reputation is at stake. A lot of people na call a lot of things about you. You can imagine make the very dark man will board the news. Who about it? And they platform the guy, malo engagement on that platform. Yeah. Malo how viral that post to go. Malo the effect of on your business. Not only that, I go come comments away for people na call about your business. For many people will go a lot of bad experience about you. What is the problem? Come out and tell us, because I'm on a business in way ups and down. Come out, tell the public what is the problem. Or your staffs be na cause to the problem. You will put a way forward. Or wrap all those complaints in a 2024 car giveaway empowerment. Will make no sense. Open India blogger sang in a funny media. I will tell you this, will make no sense. You get boost or team rock na beg first. If you maybe if you okay, maybe any other thing. We lose ourselves to go in a business, in a unfinished business first. We lose ourselves to offer when the melody motor na actually about Christmas galaga, but they did not get the motor because of delays, because of excuses. When the case na block for a block, settle them first before maybe anything in me. No many ye call the normal, call no kusisi wedi. Karapi name or chipulu 1 year down. I'm just showing concern because the thing in me, I'm a figure somebody people like it. But all of a sudden something started going wrong. What is going on? What is happening? Tell us.